All right, so AI is really helping when it comes to communication, and IT professionals are successful when they know how to communicate better with customers or with the users, because you might be dealing with a user who is so frustrated because you're not able to communicate well and you're not able to provide clear details. And that has happened a lot. And it happens a lot of time. So let's talk about one of the important or most important and often overlooked parts of IT support: communication. Whenever you're fixing technical problems, it's only the half battle, right? The other half is explaining it in a way that user actually understand it. And I want to be honest with you in here. If the user leaves the interaction frustrated, it doesn't matter how brilliant your technical fix was, because the user is not happy. You did not communicate well. That's why communication is the most important thing in here. So a lot of thing that I can mention in here, and I can call it a challenge, right? Um, you solve an issue, but the end user basically emails you back and saying that I don't understand what you mean. So those are like problems where you, as a technical guy, not able to communicate with the non-technical person, and then um, a lot of time the other challenges like your support desk, working in global companies where there is a language barriers. That's a big one, right? I used to work with a company, and their language was different, and that was a problem. They could speak English, but not everyone. So I had to go through some challenges. So these small communication gaps adds up, and it create delays, repeated tickets, and lowers the customer satisfaction. So the AI is going to help you. The generative AI changes the game in here, and AI can actually rewrite your technical response in a plain, user-friendly English for non-technical user. It can translate responses into another language, and it can also help you draft email. So what you can do is you can create like a template, which you can always use. So if I give you a real life example in here, let's just say that you are a multinational IT help desk who struggle with repeated tickets because the user did not actually understand the technical replies. Once you start using the AI to rewrite the responses into plain English, and also in some cases, if you have to translate it to like German, Spanish, and other languages, um, you will see that the ticket backlog will drop by 25% or more, because now you are communicating better with the users. There are no language barriers, there are no issues. You're not able to communicate with the non-technical users. So that is where AI for communication is really, really helpful, and it will make you so successful because you are now becoming a better communicator in your organization.